Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
Welcome back, focused learners. We've made it to day 48 of our training. In today's explainer, we're unpacking the ultimate challenge of mock paper 3. Today is literally all about taking massive, chaotic piles of unformatted data and engineering them perfectly to secure those top marks. We aren't just trying to finish the tasks here. We're going to absolutely dominate them through pure structural precision. So grab the resource folder, fire up your machine, and let's crush paper 3 together.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Handling data sets with absolute accuracy is what guarantees you an S grade. That mindset right there, that's the ultimate goal of today's blueprint. The examiner doesn't just want right answers. They're looking for flawless execution. The difference between an average score and that coveted S grade comes down to absolute, unwavering accuracy in how you process these data sets.
So, here's our game plan. We'll start with the path to S grade, jump into the 25 marks for writer engineering, then the 35 marks for calc operations. After that, we'll lock down full marks with charts and portals and wrap it all up with the final test.
All right, part 1, the path to S grade.
Look at how far we've come. From days 1 to 47, we built a rock-solid foundation. Text formatting, compound math, slide linking, those were the building blocks. But today, on day 48, we're stepping into the big leagues. We're talking multi-key sorting in Calc, multi-level numbering in Writer, and dynamic data charts. Everything we've done has led us directly to these advanced, multi-layered challenges. We're stacking our skills, and honestly, that's exactly how you secure top marks.
Moving right along to Section 2, 25 marks, Writer Engineering. Now, what's really interesting about this next part is this massive number, 25. This 25-mark chunk is entirely dependent on engineering your document correctly, not just typing it out. If you're sitting there manually typing headers over and over, you're bleeding precious time and probably driving yourself crazy. Imagine trying to format a 50-page document by hand under exam pressure. No way. We need structural automation to guarantee those marks efficiently.
So, the secret sauce here is knowing exactly where to click to let the software do the heavy lifting. This is your absolute blueprint for automation. Need a book layout? Don't mess with manual spacing. Go straight to Format, then Page Style, then Page, and select Mirror Margins. Boom, layout locked. Need automated headings like 1.1 and 1.2? Go to Data, then Outline Numbering to nest those levels perfectly. And please, never type a table of contents manually. Just hit Insert, Table of Contents, and Index, and let LibreOffice build a perfect outline in seconds. Master these exact menu pathways, and those 25 marks are safely in the bag.
Next up, Section 3, 35 marks, Calc Operations. 35 marks. Just let the weight of that number sink in for a second. These 35 marks are the absolute core of the exam. This is the main event. This is the battleground where logical data manipulation pays off huge. Nailing top marks here is all about how efficiently you can handle raw spreadsheet data without making a single structural mistake. Let's break down the exact parameters for our massive employee table. The examiner wants a very specific two-tiered sort. First, your primary key is department, sorted alphabetically. But we can't stop there. You need a secondary key, which is salary, sorted from highest to lowest. In Calc, you don't do this one by one or just guess the order. You go directly to Data, then Sort, and add that secondary key right inside the dialog box. It's a precise, one-step move that organizes everything flawlessly.
Right after sorting, we've got to extract exactly what the question demands. Enter the auto filter. Think of it as a tool that instantly isolates specific records, matching defined conditions within a massive array. You just select your sorted data, hit Data, then Auto Filter. It's the simplest, most logical way to mask rows and display only what the examiner asks for. This is deep data processing at its finest, and doing it cleanly is exactly how you lock in those 35 marks.
All right, Section 4, full marks, charts, and portals. This part moves us into data visualization within Impress. The core task? Translating those spreadsheet tables into clean chart layouts. You definitely don't want to overcomplicate things here, or get lost tweaking messy design options. Just use Insert, then Chart. Lock your spreadsheet values in and format it cleanly, like a crisp, readable column chart. Keep it professional, clear, and highly accurate.
And this brilliantly illustrates our final submission strategy. When you're documenting your file processing routine for the exam portal, you have to use direct, professional pathways. Step 1, select array. Step 2, apply filter mask. Step 3, copy isolated fields. Writing your steps exactly like this proves to the examiner that you have total command over the software's logic. Hitting them with these direct structural bullet lines is what triggers them to award full marks immediately.
Finally, Section 5, the final test.
I'm going to leave you with a final test of your knowledge, your homework for tonight. In LibreOffice Calc, what is the exact menu pathway to completely remove an active autofilter from your data grid? Think about it. Mastering these specific toggles is how you ensure you control the data and not the other way around. Leave your answer in the comments below to prove you're ready. Make sure you download Mock Paper-3 right now to test your speed. Stay focused, keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 49 when we tackle the full-length Mock Practical Paper 4. See you in the next explainer.